What's good? DRELAMARR back at it with another one, man. Another upgrade for Project SCARR. As you know, man, as you've seen from the thumbnail, I will be adding a strut tower bar right there, man, to Project SCARR. So go ahead, smash that like, hit the subscribe, and we're gonna get right into the installation. I ain't gonna hold you up. One of the first things I'm gonna do is go ahead and get these windshield wipers out the way, because I'm gonna have to move this cowl. So I guess you just pull this little thing out. Okay, guess you could do that with one hand. Peel this weather strip, get that out the way. Little. Alright, when you get this all popped up, that was simple. I didn't even break it like everybody else do. Just got a couple, what you want to take is this off because it connects to this. So, alright. Got the sway bar sitting all in there. Sitting there pretty sturdy. Got that first hole drilled. Put the washer on. Pretty simple. Okay, got it all installed and wasn't too hard. I would say the hardest part is when you're installing these from the inside, you have to come through the opening right there by the strut. You can see that. You snake your hand in through there and try to have to hold it. And what I did was snake this up through, put the extension on one end, and then grab one of those and go ahead and tighten it up. So that made it a lot simpler. As you see, we sturdy. Now I have to come back tomorrow, put the finishing touches because my drill died, but one screw back, down, if you could see him down there, didn't finish that one, drill died, and this one up there. I'm gonna have to move this in order to drill this last hole. All the other ones good, everything screwed in, extra snug. So the purpose of adding a strut tower brace is to stiffen up the chassis, so when you're turning you won't get any flex. So if you guys wonder why I added this, it's just for suspension, just to stiffen up the front a little bit. It fit like a charm. So if you guys are in the market and you're trying to get you a strut bar and you see one for a 95 through 98, yes, it will fit a NEWEDGE, and no, you do not have to do any modifications. Just screw it on in there, tight as you can be. So thank you for watching the video. Smash the like, hit the subscribe, and I'm out.